Here I am going to demonstrate how Viva developed sandbox can be converted into a full sandbox. In the changing world, there is a need for frequent changes to Viva, and the need for full sandbox for integration test and user acceptance testing is a must. However, the license cost for full sandbox is significantly higher than the developer sandbox. The cost of full sandbox depends on the number of users live in the production system. The volume of changes and the need for number of full sandbox adds significant cost to the project. Organization may need multiple sandboxes if more than one project is being executed at the same time. So this boosts the cost of the project more further than expected. So we thought up a solution to build a tool using the CLI that can configure the dev sandbox similar to a full sandbox with respect to configuration and data. This gives complete flexibility and functionality as the full sandbox at the cost of a developer sandbox. What are the benefits of this? This increases the flexibility of the testers and the developers who can use developer sandbox similar to a full sandbox, and significant license cost reduction and lot of cost savings to the customer. Savings of 180K per annum with a user base of 1000. So here is the pictorial diagram of how the developer sandbox looks before and after using the tool. Initially, the developer sandbox only contains the configuration, Apex metadata, all users, whereas the full sandbox contains additional records, sandbox template support, and history and chat data. So using the CLI script tool over here on developer sandbox, extracting the data from the production landscape, production organization, we can just build the developer sandbox similar to a full sandbox with all the records, sandbox templates, and history of chatter data. So user gets a full sandbox at a cost of developer sandbox. If your production data is huge, you can decide the amount of data you want to bring into your Developer Pro sandbox by customizing the tool. For this demo purpose, we are trying to add accounts and its related list components like address and affiliations. This tool was developed and configured folder contains the config properties where you can specify the source and the destination org details with login credentials. So as you see, you can see the username and the password that need to be added to this configuration file. Once the configuration steps are completed, now we are ready to run the tool. So the tool is installed in the folders and you have all the folders available. And once your configurations are done, run load.batch tool, and this will load the configuration and transactional data into a sandbox, make it as a full sandbox. So wait for the tool to complete its process and validate the data and the configurations in dev sandbox. Now you should be able to see all accounts and its related list like address, affiliations, etc. Similarly, you can load any of the objects from prod to developer pro as long as you are not exceeding the storage limit. Now I'm here in the developer pro sandbox where I don't have any accounts, and now the tool is still running, so I'll wait until the tool completes its processing and I'll refresh the developer pro sandbox where I'll be able to see all the data that's being loaded. So I'm going to refresh the accounts. Now I can see the accounts and I can pick any of the accounts to see its related information. So I pick the business account and here I can see all the account details. These are just the replica of what you see it in production, and you have the addresses loaded for those accounts and you have affiliations associated to those accounts. You can simply and easily subset Viva application data in Developer Pro to ensure that the developers and the testers have the accurate and realistic yet safe information to utilize for their daily tasks. You should be able to see, by doing this, you can eliminate the number of full sandbox licenses and saving a lot of money to your customer. Thanks for your time. You can reach out to Mar Dondeti at mrdondeti@hcl.com or Lakshman Venkatesan at lakshmangv@hcl.com for any information. Thank you.